Hello, hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Kumar and today I am in Manikaran. So Manikaran is this place about 40 kilometers from Kasol. It's located in Parvati Valley and it is a very important pilgrimage site for both Hindus and Sikhs over here. People from all over the world come to Manikaran to visit, and so today I'm in Manikaran going to explore the Gurudwara. I'm going to hopefully have some yummy food in the Langar. I'll go to the temple, just walk around. Let's see what Manikaran has to offer.
I can't stay here for you. What's that? I'd stay. And in my starlit dreams.
Located on the banks of Parvati River lies the colourful Manikaran, a city full of stories and history. The oldest legend is one written in the ancient Hindu scriptures of Vedas. Manu, who was the first man, saved humanity after the Great Flood and recreated life in present-day Manikaran, thus making this one of the most sacred places for Hindus. Manikaran is one of the most important sites for Sikhs too, as there is a very important Gurudwara here, and that is the very first place that I go and explore.
When you're visiting the Gurudwara in Manikaran or any Gurudwara for that matter, a very important thing to remember is to always cover your head. This is applicable for both men and women. So today I've got a scarf and I'm gonna just casually wrap it on my head so that we're not being disrespectful and it's just better this way.
A word of advice while visiting: we visited this place on a Monday and discovered that all the shops and stores remain shut every Monday here.
Everything is so shut.
I missed out on seeing the bustling markets, but on the flip side, we avoided all the crowds. We didn't know it at the time, but this is actually the back entrance of the Gurudwara. There is a colourfulness and vibrancy to Manikaran that can be seen from everywhere. Here you can see the open air hot spring that's for men. I didn't go to it and instead I went to the hot caves.
I can already feel the warmth.
You can feel a real warmth here, not just because of the hot springs, but even because of the locals and all the people around. Langar is the community kitchen of a Gurudwara that serves free meals to anyone and everyone regardless of their religion, race or background. Started by Guru Nanak because of his belief in the oneness of humanity, Langar is run by devotees and volunteers who want to give back. All the meals served are vegetarian, so everyone can eat them. While everyone can eat in the langar, not everyone is allowed to serve in one, as you can see in the board here. In case you were wondering where the food was cooked, it's in these giant vessels. Kudos to them, because I can't even cook for one. Eating in langar, sitting with everyone, I felt so grounded and connected. I have the most respect for all the people who make langar possible every day. Once upon a time, while roaming around, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati fell in love with the mountains and lush greens and decided to spend some time in Manikaran.
I met a monk who'd wake up to pray as the moon watched him.
One day, Goddess Parvati lost her money or precious stone in the water. Upset over her loss, she asked her husband to retrieve it. On Lord Shiva's order, Sheshnag, or the serpent god, hissed, giving rise to a flow of boiling water. This water can be seen even today, and it's hot enough to even cook food in it.
And then he told me of a land far away, waiting for me.
You can buy beans and rice right here for less than 30 rupees, and I decided to cook some rice. It took about 20 minutes.
Then he told me you must give up all things.
Chawal, I've never been this excited to eat chawal.
I met a monk
Let's eat it.
who gave up all things, and then he told me that life needs nothing, end of living.
Taste it and tell me how it
He tell me the ways, so toss out your reds and your blues away. But he let me take a pot of stars.
We had some time on our hands, so we decided to check out this Shiv cave nearby.
Blooms, but in that land that you're going.
Let's go find out.
आ जाओ बाबा जी आ जाओ.
And then he told me of a land far away, waiting for me, waiting for prey, where dust turns to food and the clouds cure disease. Then he told me, your friends you must leave. Can't leave.
You can feel the holiness and spirituality in the air in Manikaran. There's a power of nature combined with devotion that makes this place very unique and different from other places in Himachal.
Cutie.
I can't, I think I'll stay home.
Thanks for watching my video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to watch the next episode of Exploring Himachal.